The ongoing lawsuit involving Jay Z and Diddy is quickly becoming one of the most scandalous and explosive legal battles to hit the headlines in recent memory. Allegations have emerged claiming that the two music moguls allegedly forced themselves on a 13-year-old girl, further escalating the situation. Now, Jay Z is reportedly pressuring the alleged victim, known as Jane Doe, to reveal her identity to the public, intensifying the scrutiny surrounding this case. The case has also reportedly caused a rift within the Carter family, with certain members seemingly taking sides. Solange, for instance, was notably absent at the premiere of Blue's Mufasa, prompting speculation that her stance on the issue may already be clear to those watching closely. But what's even more shocking than the current lawsuit is the list of individuals Jay Z allegedly had inappropriate relationships with during their early years, some of whom were not even of legal age. These revelations raise serious questions about his past actions and how he might defend himself against such accusations. While I won't delve too deeply into the specifics of the Jane Doe lawsuit here, as many of you are likely already familiar with the details, there's one aspect that stands out: the court documents. The filings suggest that Jay Z has been implicated in multiple disturbing incidents, with claims that he believed himself to be above the law. The filing even suggests that Jay Z's close friend, Sean Carter, the real name of Jay Z, was reportedly present during many of the incidents described in the lawsuit. The documents assert that both individuals must face justice for their alleged actions. As the lawsuit insinuates that Jay Z may be guilty of other serious crimes involving minors, the public's reaction has been one of shock, though not necessarily surprise. The streets have been buzzing for years about the possibility of Jay Z's involvement in questionable. The complexity and gravity of these allegations are only just beginning to unfold, and it remains to be seen how Jay Z and his team will navigate the mounting legal and public pressure. The situation is rapidly developing, and as more details come to light, it is clear that this scandal will continue to capture the attention of the public and media alike. Stay tuned for further updates on this highly charged activities, case, with whispers of such allegations dating back quite some time. Jay Z has vehemently denied these accusations, and in his response, he lashed out at the lawyer representing Jane Doe, Tony Buzbee. Jay Z called Buzbee an ambulance chaser and a fraud, accusing him of attempting to exploit the situation for personal gain. He further claimed that Buzbee had misjudged him, thinking that the publicity surrounding the case would prompt him to settle. Instead, Jay Z asserted that the allegations only fueled his desire to expose what he called the fraudulent nature of the lawsuit. In his statement, Jay Z declared, "I'm not from your world. I made it out of the projects in Brooklyn. We don't play these types of games. We protect children. You seem to exploit people for your own benefit." He added that Buzbee's demand for a settlement was a form of blackmail, and he refused to give in to the lawyer's demands. However, Tony Buzbee fired back, denying Jay Z's claims. Buzbee clarified that his firm had never demanded any money from Jay Z, and stated that since he had filed the lawsuit on behalf of Jane Doe, the singer had harassed both him and his client. Buzbee also expressed pride in Jane Doe's courage, noting how she had been emboldened by the public nature of the case. As the case continues to unfold, the drama is only heating up. In a controversial move, Jay Z's legal team has requested that the judge compel Jane Doe to reveal her identity if she wants to continue with the lawsuit. Jay Z's lawyer, Alex Bow, filed court documents arguing that Jane Doe has failed to provide sufficient evidence to justify her anonymity. Bow further contended that Jay Z has the right to know the identity of the person who is accusing him of such serious criminal behavior. The lawyer claimed that the accusations were damaging to Jay Z's reputation, which he has worked for decades to build, and that the allegations were based on vague assumptions rather than concrete evidence. The demand for Jane Doe's identity has sparked backlash, with some individuals expressing concern for her safety if her name is revealed. There is a growing fear that once she is publicly identified, she could potentially face violent repercussions. Meanwhile, Solange, Beyoncé's sister, has reportedly been voicing her concerns about the case. While there is still uncertainty about the legitimacy of the allegations, Solange allegedly finds it suspicious that Jay Z's name has been linked to multiple similar cases involving young women. For those unfamiliar with Jay Z's past, There have been other instances that raised eyebrows regarding his interactions with underage girls. In 2012, rumors circulated about Jay Z having an affair with a 15-year-old girl who was allegedly 4 months pregnant at the time. The pregnancy was reportedly terminated over the summer. According to reports, the affair had begun when the girl was just 14 years old and she was from Brooklyn. Additionally, there was a controversial incident involving Foxy Brown, who was also 15 years old when she allegedly started a relationship with Jay Z. There have also been rumors surrounding Rihanna, who has reportedly been trying for years to get Jay Z to agree to a paternity test related to a potential child. The ongoing drama surrounding Jay Z, Diddy, and the troubling lawsuit involving a 13-year-old girl continues to intensify. Now, things have taken an even darker turn, as Jay Z is reportedly demanding that the woman known as Jane Doe reveal her identity to the public. Court filings show that Jay Z's legal team is pushing for her to publicly disclose her name, claiming that her anonymity isn't justified by the evidence she has provided. Solange's protectiveness didn't stop there. She even attempted to intervene in her father's relationship with Beyoncé, once considering calling the police because she thought their father might harm Beyoncé. Despite these efforts, Solange and Beyoncé's relationship appears to have grown strained in recent years. Insiders suggest that Solange may be distancing herself from her sister, especially after pronouncing her father out of her favorite Oprah song when her music video came out in 2020. This move has raised concerns, with many fearing that once her identity is revealed, she could face severe consequences. Adding fuel to the fire, sources close to the case reveal that family members of the woman are reportedly taking sides. Solange, Jay Z's sister-in-law, has notably been absent from major events like Blue Ivy's Mufasa premiere, leading many to believe that she may have her own reservations about the situation. It's speculated that her absence speaks volumes about where she stands regarding the lawsuit, especially given her previous history of protecting her sister Beyoncé from Jay Z's alleged transgressions. This lawsuit isn't the only one raising eyebrows. For years, whispers in the industry have circulated about Jay Z's past relationships with underage girls. These rumors have resurfaced as more people recall claims made in the past. Allegations involving a 15-year-old girl whom Jay Z allegedly had an affair with in 2012 have been brought back into the spotlight. According to reports, the girl, a Brooklyn native, was said to have been pregnant but had an abortion in the summer of that year, which the rapper reportedly helped facilitate. Additionally, there were rumors about his relationships with Foxy Brown, who was also 15 when their rumored affair began. Then there's the ongoing drama with Rihanna, who has repeatedly pushed for a paternity test to prove that Jay Z fathered her child. The reason behind her demand lies in the fact that Rihanna's mother, Wanda, was allegedly underage at the time of their alleged affair. Wanda's godmother recently opened up about how Jay Z's in-house lawyer initially tried to resolve the matter privately. However, as more lawyers became involved, it became clear that the issue of Wanda's age posed a significant challenge for Jay Z. They even discussed the possibility of signing Rihanna to Jay Z label, but the deal was eventually shelved when it was deemed inappropriate due to her age and high school commitments. The most explosive revelations, however, concern Beyoncé. In 2008, Beyoncé revealed that she was 18 when she first met Jay Z, and they started dating a year later. However, rumors have persisted for years that their relationship began much earlier, when Beyoncé was still underage. Video footage even surfaced, claiming to show Jay Z stopping Beyoncé from revealing the true timeline of she infamously attacked Jay Z in an elevator. The motive behind the altercation was never confirmed, but fans speculated that it was due to Jay Z's infidelity, a claim he later admitted to in his own public statements.